eBay. I found a Rubik's Cube branded from HEB. So whenever we pay for the cube, then I'll open it. Cookies. So now since we checked out, now I'm gonna open it. 3, 2, 1. The cube is opening. The cube is opening. Okay, I think I actually need some help. I don't need help. And the cube is unboxed. Let's see how the cube turns. The cube actually turns better than I expected. Mommy, the cube turns better than I expected.
That's good.
I wonder if I can take the center cap off. No, I can't. It's just a Plano block. Is it possible that I can actually turn this block? Nope, I don't think so. Ooh, this is fun. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, too. And the cube is fun. The cube is fun. Turn. Oh, I see what I can do. I'm gonna make a checkerboard. Look. Like in my checkerboard video, I made a checkerboard. And boom! I made a checkerboard on a Rubik's branded. Done. Let's see what else we can do. Wait a second. This seems impossible. Wait a second. That's hard. The cube has good turning, Mommy. Try turning the cube, Mom. Here, turn the cube. But turn it. It feels good.
Not bad. Or a little Rubik's Cube that's from HEB.
It's Rubik's branded. I feel like it's expected that the Rubik's branded 3x3 feels better than the Rubik's branded pocket cube or 2x2. 3, 2, 1. So I can solve the cube in 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Let's see how fast I can actually solve a checkerboard. Let's make a checkerboard. Wait a second. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds! The last video it was 9 seconds. With the other cube, that's mostly a speed cube. And this is not a speed cube. Feels good though. I don't know how I can take off these tiles. These are not. But mommy, these colored blocks are not stickers. They're tiles. So if you get them wet, the tiles won't get spoiled. Does that mean I can play with it in the bath?
What do you mean?
With the cube in the bath because it's not stickers, it's tiles.
Maybe. You haven't seen the instructions.
I'm worried though. Okay, we'll expand. Here, parents. Hints and tips, solution guide, and videos available at Rubiks.com. Oh, since this is at least unlocked, once we put the cube in again, this might be hard for putting in this cube. And I think it's actually impossible to put the cube again in here. It is possible to put the cube lid back on. There you go, see? It's a failure box. I think I actually impossible. I'm literally breaking it. Wait, now since this is unboxed, now I think I can actually put it in. Oh no! Oh! Does these have springs? Whoa. These do have springs, kind of. As the best, the corners are actually the springiest. Also on my other cube that's not Rubik's branded. And the least is the middle and is the sides, the edge pieces. Corner pieces, edge pieces, middle piece. And 3, 2, 1. And scrambles up the cube where you was. And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, done. Now I need to get my cube up. And at home, I'll explore more about it, okay?